Wait, what is that?
Don't turn around.
Tristan.
I can see the reflection.
You don't like her unicorn? Come on, dude.
No, he doesn't.
Come on, dude.
He's embarrassed.
One day
I think they're just at that stage.
One day you'll appreciate that.
Right? Let's go.
Please like this video if you cringe. We're just gonna go to the toys area.
Let's go find our Beyblade.
I think my cheekbones exploded. And how cringy this is.
Say something to them.
Alright, so I'm making we're gonna be setting up my we're also setting up.
Oh my gosh, somebody's following me. Oh my gosh, it's a stranger danger.
Ain't nobody's following you. Oh my god.
Hello, Subby buddies. Woohoo! Who is that? It's Tristan Creative.
AKA the oversized hoodie kid. Cause like
looking fresh today. Look at you. Look at you. Look at your fit. Look at those shoes. What's up?
So today we are going to Target because we're trying to get this Beyblade Stadium for Turbo because we haven't opened any Turbo Beyblade toys on this channel yet, and we're trying to. So if you give me 1 second to go on my iPad, this is what we're getting. This is it's Walmart. Oh, I'm in the Walmart website, but like it says Beyblade vs Turbo Slingshot Rail Rush Battle Set. It's only $29.76.
And it comes with 2 turbos.
It comes with 2 Turbo Beyblades. I'm pretty sure that's voucher again. Chose the, I don't know. It comes with these 2 new rippers, and this stadium is actually really cool because it can go in and out.
And we are gonna check Walmart. If it's not there, we are gonna check Target. And it's been a while since we did a Beyblade video. And YouTube, what is up with the comments being disabled, YouTube? And a C- on Social Blade. What is up? Does Tristan Creative look like a C-?
The first time I checked Social Blade, it said A+, but then the next day it went down to like a B-.
Oh
and
my
then it went down to
gosh. So this means we have to make our videos. Hello, Subby buddies. It is Mrs. Milkshake, the person that Tristan doesn't want on this YouTube video. But anyways, congratulations on congratulations, Tristan, on 12,000 Subby buddies. And thank you, you guys, for making it possible. Yay! Okay, let's go. Subby buddies, look at what Tristan have. You're gonna try this. Try this. It's avocado smoothie with boba. Slurp and burp. You're supposed to chew the boba, not spit it out.
That's a boba?
I'm gonna see your face. But yep. Okay, perfect.
Is it recording?
Yeah. It is recording.
Waiting for my
crown on. Yeah. Let's go.
Please like this video if you cringe. I mean, like, that's absolute, like, but like, yeah. We're just gonna go to the toys area.
Let's go find our Beyblade. Hope it's here, Tristan's and Subby buddies.
I think my cheekbones exploded from how cringy this is.
Say something to them.
Alright, so I'm making we're gonna be setting up my we're also setting up.
Oh my gosh, somebody's following me. Oh my gosh, it's a stranger danger.
Ain't nobody's following you. What is that? What is? We are also setting up my table for my gaming computer, and I'm gonna do editing on my channel, the gaming channel.
Tour coming up.
My own editing because I'm not trying to get the.
That's the best part of these videos.
Mom, you can edit this video. I'm not editing the other one. I'm editing the other one. I'm gonna edit every time you're in it. Out.
Tristan is at that stage where like he worries about what people are saying.
I do.
Ooh.
She just left me standing.
You got somebody else to push the cart for you since you're embarrassed of mommy.
Wait, what is that?
Turn around.
Tristan.
I can see the reflection.
You don't like her unicorn? Come on, dude.
No, he doesn't.
Come on, dude.
He's embarrassed.
One day
I think they're just at that stage.
One day you'll appreciate that.
Right? Okay, Tristan, tell mommy where we're going.
Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. I got to turn around.
Oh, also tell them that mommy's gonna look for Mrs. Milkshake's gonna look for my own Nerf gun since we're doing Nerf battles.
Yeah, we can hear you. I don't know what it means. Oh my god.
He took my place. Hi. So what are we looking for again?
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, here's the Beyblade aisle, you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me turn up the ISO. Oh, this is what we're looking for, and Tristan already found it.
Yeah, Beyblade Burst. It's a slingshot. So what it does is just, I'll just turn around. Better. It comes with 2 Beyblades. It comes with Wonder Valtryek V4. It comes with Zia Chili's A4. And I'm pretty sure in an anime he beats up Valtryek. And he's like the new main character, which I don't like. That's what my friend said. Anyways, right here, it shows the stadium right here. So what could happen is that they could enter past right here, and they come back out either way, or they could just go in here. Let's see, it says speed cradle. So it says launch here to vary your attack. So if they're in here, I think they're just gonna keep on spinning, and when they come back out, they just do a good attack. The rail system, rails amp up your battle strategy. So they could just go in and come back out, which is really cool. So
we score. Let's see the front again and how much it cost.
It should be $14.79.
That? $14? No way.
That's what I said.
Okay, let's go price check it.
I mean, it's pretty light.
Upcoming video, you guys.
Pretty light.
Upcoming video. Oh, there's a couple boxes of it back there. Yeah, we always get the one in the back because the one in the front, people's been touching and handling it, so. Yay.
This is really, really light.
Is it light?
Uh-huh.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, it is pretty light.
It's like,
and it has 2 turbos in it?
Yeah, 2 Beyblades in here. Zia Chili's and this one. See, it just shows Valtryek being destroyed. I don't know why.
The Beyblade Stadium, too.
No, Mom, that's Bakugan.
Oh.
Duh.
Okay. Oh, yeah, sub to Being Logan because they review these.
That's cool.
Tristan, look what's behind you.
Yes,
It's a huge Beyblade Stadium.
It's like the one.
And it's neon orange, my favorite color. Look at how big it is. It reminds me of the old school stadium back in like the early 2000s.
It's like those tournament ones, but it's just orange.
Oh, we might grab that too, you guys. What do you guys think?
Look how much there is. This is this guy right here. I don't know what he does.
Looked like somebody was gonna buy it and then they changed their mind.
Salamander. Wait. This is Manuel Salamander. I just witnessed something terrible. We better put those back. I'm not.
Okay, subby buddies, we are gonna grab the stadium. I love the color, but we're not grabbing these.
Wow.
We'll grab those next time because there's 2 of them in the Slingshot Stadium.
Are you gonna put that one back?
Look at it. It looks like one of those.
And there's like this
ones.
little metal dent right here.
It's not metal.
Middle.
Oh look. It's meant to be.
How?
I'm gonna take her home with me.
Nope. We already have the duck. Woman.
Man.
Girl.
Little boy.
She-male.
He-man.
Sheep.
Goat.
Donkey.
Donkey. Hyena.
Horse butt.
Horse butt eater. Oops.
You don't know what horse butt means.
3. Ew, what's wrong with you? You have
What's
issues.
wrong with you? You have a voice changer in your
Oh my gosh, no I
body.
don't. Yeah, that means I'm all real, not like you.
We're making a
Ew.
Nerf studio so we could blast her.
Yeah, we went to IKEA last week to find like a Nerf display. Well, it's not a Nerf display, but it's a display and we're gonna put our Nerf guns on it. Yeah, so look forward to that. Ooh, that's so pretty, Tristan. I'm taking over the other studio downstairs with the pink wall.
It's fake. Yeah, you can take that one over. I'm having upstairs. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I know it's a short video, but we have to make some video before.
We gotta go home and set up the table.
We have to make some video before we come.
Let's Alienware computer.
We had to
Get out of the background.
We had to make some video because one time I didn't upload and someone was like, "Did you die?" So yeah, so we had to make a video so they know I'm alive. Make sure you guys join the Discord in the description below so we could comment to each other and.
Oh my gosh! Seriously.
I take 2 of the outro because I don't know what's happening with my mom, but
There was a thug in the background.
okay, hugs before thugs. Okay. Anyways, so right here is the the Beyblade Burst Turbo. I know it's a quick video. Make sure you guys go to the Discord down below so you could.
What is wrong?
Inappropriate. It's inappropriate. Okay. Battle set. So yeah, so make sure you watch out for that. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Boop. Make sure you guys.
You leave me alone. What? Baby. Mama, mama, mama. Okay.